Hello and welcome to Teacher Stacey's Crazy Science Laboratory. I'd also like you to meet my scientist assistant, Pino. How are you today, Pino?
I'm good.
Are you ready to do an experiment with me?
Yes, I am.
Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make Oobleck. Some of you have probably heard of Oobleck before and may even already know how to make it, but it is always good to have a refresher course in science. In this world, there are solids and there are liquids. A solid is an object that keeps its shape, while a liquid is matter that has no shape but flows freely. The wonderful thing about Oobleck is it is both a liquid and a solid, and that is something you don't find very often. Now let's get started. For your Oobleck, you are going to need cornstarch. You will need about 1 cup. You will also need 1/3 cup of water. Pour these two things into any kind of container that your grown-up will let you use and stir them well with a spoon. If you find your Oobleck is too thick, just add a little more water. If you find it's too runny, add a little more cornstarch. But in the end, it should look like this. And you will see as you start to play with it that at first it's a solid and it quickly turns into a liquid. Pino, what do you think of that?
That's awesome.
Isn't it? Now you can go and make your own batch of Oobleck. See you next time.